This is an AVNation ISE special. My name is Tim Albright. I'm your host. What we're doing is we are previewing Integrated Systems Europe 2019. Comes your way the 5th through the 8th of February from beautiful Rye in Amsterdam. With me today talking about what Atlona will be doing is my buddy Garth Lobban. Welcome, sir.
Hey, Tim. How are you?
I am well. You guys are in Hall 5, which you've been for a number of years. Hall 5. Mm-hmm. U is an umbrella, 120. Somebody walks through and they're walking through Hall 5 and they come upon the Atlona booth. What are they going to find?
Well, first of all, it's going to be easy to find us. We've got a big sign out in the hallway that says innovation starts here. So that'll kind of point you to where we're going to be located in addition to our flying saucer. The thing that people are going to see is what we're promoting the most is our all IP meeting space. And the whole idea behind the all IP meeting space is that now that we're converged, now that everything's on the network, we have audio, video, control, USB, all on IP now. So we're focusing on the OmniStream package there, and that allows us to show all of these great features. And we're really going to be showing a full tilt boogie meeting room. And that'll allow us to do one of the most difficult rooms that there is to put together, and that's a divisible space. So along with velocity control, we're going to be able to show how we can divide this into 2 rooms and bring it back into 1. The 2 velocity panels that'll be there will synchronize, so you'll be always able to see what mode you're in and this sort of thing. In addition, we're working with our partners Symmetrics, and we're going to be showing how we're able to do AES 67 over IP, because their DSP system and ours will work together in a couple of ways. Not only will they be able to ingest audio signals from our system, but we'll also be able to control the DSP through velocity. So it really is an all IP meeting space right down to the PTZ cameras that we're going to have there.
So is this something where, you and I have talked about this before, where you guys, one of the things you do is educate your dealers, and then they obviously educate their clients. Is this something where it's taking a little bit more to get dealers on board with an entire IP-based system?
It really is, because our dealers have to work with the IT directors in any corporate location. And like any person with their domain, they're very concerned about what goes on to it. So there's still a lot of training, familiarity, and comfort level that has to come along with any AV over IP system. We've long since been converged with telephone systems over IP. It's something that they have to do. But AV is still something that they're reluctant to do. So educating our dealers and how easy it is to put these things together allows them to go out to these big decision makers at these companies, the IT managers and what have you, to get their comfort level brought up as well. We're also able to take this system and get it out onto the road. A lot of Atlona employees, our direct representatives in many countries, are able to take this system and actually travel from place to place and show the all IP meeting space in a smaller, more compact form. So this idea is to get people into our stand, have them see the all IP meeting space, and then arrange for demo in their location and their customer's location, because it really is that portable and easy to set up. And if we can do our part in convincing IT directors to accept all of these elements on their IP backbone, so much the better, really, for the entire industry, not just us.
Well, and it's like quite remarkable that it is that compact. But when you sit back and think about it, well, it's that compact because you have a switch, right, and you have some category cables, and then obviously the devices. Mm-hmm. And it also demonstrates to the end users, the clients, the impact that this may have or may not have. Honestly, when you compare it to a traditional copper-based system of 10, 15 years ago in AV, it was all copper. You were running 5-wire. Right. You were having to have 2-inch or 5-inch conduit to make this thing happen, and now you are just running it on the network.
Right. It's just like any other thing that they're responsible on their network, whether it's a data backbone, whether it's telephony, whether it's the other conferencing systems that they've had to start putting in. Now we can really put the whole kit together for them.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Not everybody goes to ISE. So if somebody is wanting to follow along with what Atlona will be doing and talking about come Amsterdam in the 5th of February, how do they do that?
Just check us out at atlona.com.
All right, very good. Garth Lobban from Atlona. Again, Hall 5. Hall 5, U is an umbrella. 120 is where you will find them in Amsterdam. Again, if you want to follow along, if you're not able to go, atlona.com. If you want to follow along with us as we head to Amsterdam and bring you everything happening at ISE 2019, go by the website, avnation.tv. avnation.tv.